My name is Ken Mitchell, and I've been coming to Marc Adams School of Woodworking since the very first year of the first class. We had one small building. It was in the south building. I had about 12 or 15 students, a weekend class, and from then on, I've been every year since then. So we're working on 29 years now. And at first, I was into furniture making, cabinetry, tables, things of this nature. You start getting a little older, interests change, and I got into a turning class about 9 years ago. And the turning class, that's all I do now is turning. Don't do any more furniture making, case goods, tables, chairs, nothing like that. Turning to me opened up a part of me that had been delayed for many, many years. I was a former art student years and years and years ago. And now with turning, as you can see here, it opens up a lot of possibilities for expressing the artistic part of you. You got the mechanical side, just like woodworking is, but then you get the artistic side with coloring and texturing and going into details and trying to figure out what looks good. Should I make a straight part here or make a nice little curve like this one here is on this foot? And the small little details like that can make a difference. And then working with the different woods, the different colors, the different patterns and textures that can be used in wood turning. And it's amazing what you can do and what you can get into with this type of work here. So to me, it's technical as well as artistic. And Marc Adams, they're like family now, this school. People come in here for many, many years. I know when his boy and girl were born, his kids were born. I've seen them grow up. So it's more like a family type thing for me. And like I say, I just love the turning part of the class now. That's about what I do now, concentrate on it. Have lots of money because you'll be coming back multiple times. One time is not enough. You get hooked on it. And it's, like I say, you make friends that last forever. You enjoy the work here, the dedication of the instructors. You can just feel the atmosphere when you come here. And if you want to learn something, I'll give you an example. My wife plays piano. She's been playing since she was 6 years old. Music major in college, and she asked me one time about the instructors here. I says, okay, I'll give you an example. Think of yourself as a piano player with the classical music you're into. If you had a chance to take piano lessons from Beethoven or Mozart, that's the type of instructors you have here. These are, just world-class, unbelievable type instructors. And that's the type of people you associate yourself with. The learning experience, it just opens up your mind.